probably heard stories of overnight crypto millionaires and stock market wolves of the Wall Street. Unfortunately, social media treats crypto and stock investments like guaranteed get-rich-quick schemes with private islands and Lamborghinis. But there's more to every investment, just like these two. In this video, let us break it down in a way your finance textbooks could never. Number 1. Underlying assets. Number 1. Underlying asset. When you buy stocks, you get a share of ownership in that company. You own a slice of Tesla, Apple, Adani, Tata shares, or whatever company, and you have a claim on the company's assets, its profits, and a say in majority decisions. But crypto is fundamentally different. You're not buying into any company. It's a digital asset built on blockchain technology, which basically means that it is a digital asset or a digital token which can be used within a specific blockchain ecosystem. For example, when you're buying Bitcoin, you invest in it as a store of value or a medium of exchange. Number 2. Issuance and regulation. Stocks are issued by a company by a process called initial public offering or an IPO. These are heavily regulated and tracked by financial authorities like SEBI, RBI, and Ministry of Finance. Now, cryptocurrencies aren't regulated or being looked after by any sort of government or any other authoritative body. Anyone can pre-mine their own coin or participate in mining activities of coins like Bitcoin on the Bitcoin blockchain network. As there's a lack of central authority, regulation varies widely for crypto. Some governments and jurisdictions have banned it, some governments and jurisdictions are accepting and embracing it, but fortunately for India, it is still legal to trade in crypto. Number 3. Trading and storage. You can buy and sell stocks in India on the National Stock Exchange or the Bombay Stock Exchange during set hours of 9 to 4 p.m. in India. These exchanges have decades of history and well-established regulations. But in order to trade on the stock market, you will have to create a demat account with a stockbroker. Here we see two problems. 1. You'll have to trade within a specific number of hours. 2. You'll have to create a demat account, which can get complicated for some people. The plus point with crypto is that you can trade them 24/7 from anywhere in the world. Again, you'll have to create an account with an exchange and go through a KYC process. In India, you can use the apps like Mudrex and CoinDCX to trade in crypto. But you have to be a lot more careful with crypto because, as we told you earlier, there's a lot of regulatory problems. Earlier this year in 2024, the government banned 9 major cryptocurrencies in India, including big names like Binance and KuCoin. Eventually, these guys came back because they complied with the FIA rules, but you never know when they can go back again. So you'll have to be extremely careful while choosing a cryptocurrency exchange platform to trade over, because there's a possibility that one fine Tuesday morning you wake up and the exchange does not exist anymore. Now, we will create a video on which exchanges are safe to trade over who have complied with the FIA rules, but more on that later. Now, as crypto exchanges keep evolving, it is extremely risky to keep large amounts of money on them. A lot of people have lost thousands, if not lakhs of rupees thinking that these exchanges were safe. However, one fine morning they woke up and realized how these crypto exchanges had vanished simply because they failed to comply with the local government's rule of order, or maybe they were stuck in a lawsuit and these people ended up losing a lot of their holdings. And if you're someone who's holding a lot of Bitcoin or Ethereum, it is extremely important for you to store your holdings in a cold hardware wallet like Material Bitcoin. This is a thick steel metal plate with your private key printed at the back and hidden by a tamper-proof sticker. In the front, you'll see the Material Bitcoin address where you can simply transfer your Bitcoin to. Material provides a lifetime warranty on this card. Basically, if you end up losing one, they're gonna send you a new wallet, but they're not gonna replace the crypto which you lost with your old wallet. This card is also fireproof, shockproof, and waterproof. This wallet is perfect if you want to start a crypto journey, because when you get this wallet, within a couple of instructions, it will tell you how you can buy crypto and send it and keep it safely on this particular wallet forever. Number 4, volatility. Stocks and crypto both can be volatile, but crypto takes it to another level. Stock prices can fluctuate based on company performance, economic conditions, and market sentiment. And these movements are often gradual and somewhat predictable. On the other hand, crypto market is very well known for its extreme price swings. Your portfolio, which might be worth 1 lakh today, can even be 10x to 10 lakhs in a day, or even 0 rupees. It's majorly because of factors like regulatory news, technological developments, and market speculation. But if you have a long-term plan, then the outlook is completely different. Blue chip cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have performed very well over the years, and they're also relatively less volatile. It is recommended to do your own research before investing in any asset and never put more than you can afford to lose. Number 5. Security. With stocks, your money is protected by multiple layers of security only because these are regulated. And there are strict regulations for fraud and market manipulation. On the other hand, crypto security is largely in your hands. And that's why it is crucial to store your assets in a cold hardware wallet away from the internet, scammers, and hackers. If you lose a private keys or recovery phase, your crypto is gone forever. There's no help desk to call or even a password reset options. So you have to be extremely careful with them. But if you want to store your secret phase in a more safer manner, you can easily get Material Bitcoin's DIY wallet. It's again a steel metal plate that comes with a metal pen. You can etch the password and the secret phase onto it and then keep the metal plate safely. Obviously, because this is extremely thick metal plate, it cannot be destroyed easily and it would not easily be lost just like a paper would. Now, I know that all of this information might seem overwhelming, but don't let this discourage you. Both stocks and crypto have their unique advantages and potential for growth. Understanding these differences is the first step to making informed financial decisions. Whether you choose stocks, cryptos, or both, remember that education is your best tool. Keep learning, stay informed, and who knows, you might just end up being the next financial success story in the world. Until the next one, ciao.